Welcome to this week Biotech Weekly Recap that is presented by Evergrowth Biohealthcare Capital. I'm Dr. Harvey Tran, CEO and co-founder of Evergrowth. Join me today as we'll discuss the latest trend and development in the biotech sector. You can scan the QR code right there or reach out to us with this contact info to schedule a free consultation call to see if we can put your money to work for you. So that way you don't have to work for your money, but then your money can go to work for you. As a disclaimer, this is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any stock. This is for informational purpose only. Here we cover the large cap pharmaceutical company and also some small cap. We don't invest in this company, and the purpose of this is to share with you latest development that are shaping the trend in the life science sector. First up is Gilead Science. As you can see, this is a large cap pharmaceutical company. It's $128 billion market cap, so much larger than the stock that we invest in, which are growth biotech stock that are small cap. So Gilead, Trodelvy combined with Keytruda significantly improved progression-free survival compared to Keytruda and chemotherapy in patients with PD-L1 positive, inoperable, or metastatic triple-negative breast cancer in a phase 2-3 study called ASCENT-4/Keynote D19 study. So essentially, this phase 3 study met its key primary endpoint that this drug Trodelvy in combo with Keytruda, it's improved the progression-free survival for this patient with very deadly breast cancer. Now, the significant and meaningful improvement in progression-free survival demonstrated in ASCENT-4, or this study is further reinforced the potential of Trodelvy plus Keytruda combo as a much-needed new treatment option for patients with this deadly breast cancer condition or untreated, inoperable, unresectable PD-L1 positive, locally advanced metastatic triple-negative breast cancer. Overall survival is also a key secondary endpoint. It was not mature at this time. However, there's a trend suggesting improvement in overall survival, which is very, very important. So things are looking very good for this combo treatment of Trodelvy and Keytruda of Gilead for a patient with triple-negative breast cancer that has already metastasized. Next up is Guardant Health, or GH. This is also it's a mid-cap stock, $5.9 billion. We don't invest in Guardant Health for other reasons, but it's an interesting company for you to keep track of. Guardant Health, they announced a strategic collaboration with Pfizer to support the development and commercialization of Pfizer oncology portfolio using Guardant Infinity smart liquid biopsy platform. Guardant and its partner Pfizer, they plan to utilize Guardant portfolio of liquid biopsy tests in Pfizer global clinical study. It's evaluate the clinical utility of using circulating tumor DNA or ctDNA level as a surrogate endpoint to monitor therapy response and related blood-based AbbVie genomic analysis. The collaboration will provide Pfizer access to Guardant Health liquid biopsy in China for their global clinical trial that include the cohort of the patient in China. So liquid biopsy is basically a blood draw. It's basically a blood draw that in which we then look at the circulating tumor DNA that would give indication of cancer. It's much more convenient and it helps to detect cancer early on. So I see that this development where Pfizer and Guardant Health is collaborating, and that would boost or increase the detection of cancer as well as monitoring the therapy response for Pfizer clinical trial advancement. This is very interesting and great development for both companies, Guardant Health as well as Pfizer. Next up is Viking Therapeutics. This is a small cap company, $2.8 billion. And let's see what the development are for Viking. VKTX, so they ended the quarter with a very strong cash position, $852 million. And the phase 3 trial for the subcutaneous VK2735 obesity treatment, it is expected to begin in second quarter of this year. So they are advancing their obesity drug in the second quarter of this year, and this completion of enrollment in the phase 2 venture oral dosing trial with data expected second half of this year. So they also do like aside from subcutaneous or the injectable form of the drug, they also run a phase 2 trial of the oral formulation of the drug. Oral formulation tend to sell better because it's more convenient for the patient. Also, they have Viking have a new manufacturing agreement with Guardant Pharma for their obesity drug commercialization, or that VK2735. Also, advancement of the novel amylin agonist program with IND filing planned for second half of this year. So Viking, it seems like they are double down on obesity drug, and they are advancing that, pushing that into a phase 3 trial, as well as tinkering with other form of obesity treatment like the novel amylin agonist program. So interesting to keep your eyes on Viking Therapeutics to see their further development. Next up is AbbVie, ABBV. This is another large cap pharmaceutical company, $329 billion. AbbVie submit a BLA to the FDA of its drug. The short name is TrenibotE. It's a first-in-class botulinum neurotoxin for treating moderate to severe glabellar line, and this drug is potentially to be used for as a Botox injection for cosmetic reason. It's a key differentiator of this drug is that it has rapid onset of action within only 8 hours, and also the duration of action is 2 to 3 weeks. The drug is backed by clinical data from over 2,100 patients across multiple phase 3 studies, all with primary and secondary endpoint were met. Now, if it's approved, this drug will be the first serotype E neurotoxin available. The drug aims to address patients who have concern, fear of looking unnatural by providing a shorter-term trial option before committing to longer-lasting treatment like Botox cosmetic. So essentially, AbbVie is advancing this drug. It's a form of Botox injection, but this TrenibotE, it kicks in much faster. Also, the duration of the drug is also not that long, only 2 to 3 weeks. So patients like that better because it helps them look more natural rather than unnatural look. And given that it's already clear phase 3 trial, so this is very good for AbbVie. And this will be the first-in-class botulinum neurotoxin for treating moderate to severe glabellar line. So it's good. With a Botox injection, it's removed the wrinkle line from the patient. It's highly utilized in cosmetic procedure. Upcoming event is this May. You're going to see the company post the earnings release. If earnings release are positive, then stock tend to appreciate significantly. Earnings is the event that tend to move the needle of your stock. And then you have May you also have the European Association for the Study of the Liver, or EASL 25. So there's also that healthcare conference as well. Be on the lookout for companies that are innovating drug or medicine for liver diseases. That is it. If you want to connect with me to have a free consultation call to explore more or to learn more about our fund and to see if we can put your money to work for you, make sure to scan the QR code here. We recently lowered our minimum ticket to $25K, and our fund is geared or designed for medical doctors. So if you're a medical doctor, get in touch with me so that we can assist you in leveraging your clinical insight in making better investment in supporting therapeutic innovation, and at the same time growing your wealth for you. I'll see you in the next report. If you want to capture this lucrative opportunity while investing in the innovation that deliver hope to the patient, but you either don't have time or you don't have the expertise, reach out to us, contact us. We'll schedule a call to see if we are the right fit for each other.